Video recording. Okay, wow. Okay. That looks kind of bleached out, doesn't it? So today I was just cleaning up Mr. Excello. Used him a number of times, thanks to Inventor 3, who we purchased this from years ago. I was doing a little bit of oil there. Let's clean that up tomorrow, maybe. So, oil, gave him oil and as well as some grease. This kind of stuff here. Cleaned all the ways and lead screws and all the cool stuff underneath, of course. I'll slap it on the ways and everything else in the gearbox. As you can see, I'm doing busy. Nice machine, it really works well. 3-phase, of course. Excuse my noise, but 3-phase. Let's take a look over here. Got these guys too. Oh yeah. How's this fit? Well, it's been sitting here for a couple of years now. So all the machines are cleaned and running well. Very well. Well. So that's what I do a lot of the time. Restore machine tools besides vintage electronic stuff or building things. Okay, so we used, I greased this guy up too. This was used in work production. This table with a lights on it. This is kind of intriguing. I don't know if you can read the tag at this angle, but approved for war production? Well, maybe not. Yeah. They're getting more crunched in here. I put these funny old shelves here, which is perfect. Fit in between these two. Perfect. Huh. Yeah. That's all I'm going to talk about today, I guess. A couple of minutes. Mr. Excello. I sure wash my hands good too. But, you gotta be careful with a lot of things these days. Grease. This is the grease I use. Good stuff. What else I do? Pull that out. Drill bit. Got drill bit had 2 holes in something. But you need standoff insulators, which I have found some. Walking this way as I slowly make my move. Let me turn these lights off. Right. And around this way. Oh, let's see. So we'll put this drill bit in here. Here's the standoff insulators. I'm just repairing something. Radio receiver. Might as well get all the parts while I'm moving around. Oh, what else? I'm restoring this guy as well. Gonna use that for my own designed power hacksaw. Yes, sirree. Get around to that someday too. I wouldn't want to be here in a major earthquake. Oh no. But I keep busy every day. I like this kind of hand white paper. It's like cloth. I use that, so I gotta make sure I can find more of it. Good stuff for when you're doing things, you keep things clean and this whole operation, yes. Okay, well, not much to talk about today, I guess, huh? Well, just wanted to mention that I was doing that, just log it in my work area thing. Standoff insulators. These are kind of mystery items. Very heavy. These in calibration. Really cool stuff. Bargain on eBay a while ago. I think about 2 years ago now. Boy, it sure looks this much cleaner lens, I think, on this thing. Looks kind of fuzzy wuzzy. Fuzzy wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy wuzzy had no hair. Or wherever that come from. Don't know. Not all well. Here's the patient I'll be operating on. Just a few minor adjustments. Nothing serious. Anyway, gotta get going.